Good morning, students. Welcome to your class again. As you know, we are doing chapter 8, cell structure and functions. In last two classes, we have done discovery of cell, unicellular and multicellular organisms, cell structure, their shape, size, parts of cell. We are going to study about cell organelles. In last class, we have studied little bit about cell organelles, and now we are going to study about them in detail. What are cell organelles? These are the small structures present or scattered in the cytoplasm. So some of them we have studied in last class. First was mitochondria. What is mitochondria? Look at the picture. This is a picture of mitochondria. It is known as powerhouse of the cell because it provides energy to our body. It provides energy for all the activities to cell. So it is known as powerhouse of the cell. Next, ribosomes. These are the site of protein synthesis, or ribosomes are known as protein factory of the cells. Next, Golgi bodies. These are responsible for the secretion of chemical substances. Which chemical substances? Enzymes, hormones, proteins. They are responsible for their secretion. Next, endoplasmic reticulum, or we can say ER in short form. It synthesizes, storage and transport of the cell products. Endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next, vacuole. Vacuole store soluble food, waste and secretions of cell. They have nothing in them. They just store waste, secretions and soluble food inside them. Next, plastids. Plastids are present only in plant cells, and these are of three types. First, chloroplast. Chloroplasts are green plastids. Maybe you have heard about them. They contain chlorophyll, and due to this thing, plants able to do photosynthesis process. They can make their own food with the help of photosynthesis, and all this process is due to the chloroplast that contain chlorophyll in them. Next, chromoplast. Chromoplasts are the non-green pigment. Chromoplast is a pigment that give color to flowers and fruits. We can see in the market there are different colors of flowers and fruits, and that color is due to the chromoplast. Next, leucoplast. Leucoplasts are the colorless plastids. These only help in storage of food. Next, prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are those cells which do not have a well-defined nucleus. Those cells which do not have well-defined nucleus are called prokaryotic cells, and the organism that have this kind of cells are called prokaryotes. For example, bacteria, blue-green algae, they do not have nucleus inside them. Next, eukaryotic cells. The cells which have well-defined nucleus are called eukaryotic cells. All the organisms other than bacteria and blue-green algae have eukaryotic cells. For example, plants, animals, fungi, protozoa, all these things have nucleus inside their cells, and these are the eukaryotes. So this is your homework. You have to find answer of these questions and you have to write answer of these questions in your science notebook, and you have to read page number 95 and 96 of your NCERT book for your better understanding. Now, chapter is over, and now I am giving you research based questions. You can take help from Google and your book, as well as you have to draw well labeled diagram of plant cell and animal cell in your notebook. You have to differentiate plant cell and animal cell. You have to write 5 to 7 points related to their difference in your notebook